I bought this Lego Star Wars minifigure off eBay for $50. Let's see if you guys can guess who he is. The first clue is that he was a Jedi General who appeared in Season 4 of Clone Wars. If you need another clue, he was a Basilisk, the same species as Dexter Jetster from Episode 2. Alright, do you guys know who it's gonna be? Well, if you guessed Pong Krell, you are correct. And wow, he is just a stupendous minifigure with amazing printing and details. I'm very glad I was able to purchase him. So after putting together his two double-bladed lightsabers, I clipped them onto his hands, and it just completes the awesomeness of Pong Krell's look. The Umbara arc on the Clone Wars TV show is one of my favorite things ever to watch. All the sad moments with the clones and all the chaos that Pong Krell creates as he falls from the Jedi Order is just absolute cinema. I highly recommend watching that if you haven't watched it.